The respiratory zone of the lungs is the part of the lungs where gas exchange is actually taking place. This zone contains the alveoli, alveolar sacs, alveolar ducts, and respiratory bronchioles. So the alveoli are made of simple squamous epithelium, and they're the actual site of gas exchange. The alveolar sacs are when you have a cluster of multiple alveoli. The alveolar ducts are the hallways that are leading to the alveolar sacs. They are also lined with simple squamous epithelium. And the alveolar ducts might also have little outpocketings of a single alveoli. The respiratory bronchioles are what's before the alveolar ducts. So they also contain individual alveoli sort of pocketing out from their walls, which is why they're the beginning of the respiratory zone, because that's the first zone where you see alveoli and gas exchange is taking place. And you might remember that the beginning of your respiratory tract, like up in your trachea, you have ciliated pseudostratified columnar epithelium. So it doesn't go just from being ciliated pseudostratified and then right to simple squamous, it sort of transitions. So in the respiratory bronchioles, you begin with a sort of low columnar and it transitions to cuboidal before turning completely into simple squamous once you're at the alveolar ducts.